Okay guys, I am here at a local river. I'm a bit away from the water and I'm going to be sharing with you the reason why very shortly. You see those things that you see moving in the water? Those are baby crocodiles, guys. Yeah. It's one of the reasons why going into local rivers in Jamaica can be dangerous. Because normally where you have baby crocodiles, you see you have one, see you have 2, 3 there. Normally where you have baby crocodiles, you normally have the adults. And the adults, especially the females, when they do have young babies, oh, there's a big fish right there, so I don't know if you can see it, it's right below the column. It looks like a tilapia, right? It's too big for the crocodiles, but there are several, probably about 8 in which I counted so far. There might be more. Yeah, it looks like a tilapia, but I don't think it's a tilapia. I'm not sure. But I know at this location, persons have been catching jaguar cichlids. I was a little bit scared a while ago when I saw them galloping from underneath the tree. Right? This is the spaces in which, these are the spaces in which crocodiles actually love to venture in. I am not going to go in there because, as I said before, they are in the water, right? Chances are the mother is somewhere in there, so looking at me, right? They look like the newly hatched baby crocodiles, yeah, in the water underneath the bridge of a seemingly calm water space where the traffic actually rolls over very frequently, and you have good sized fish within this space. Presently they are cleaning out the gully, or should I say the drainage, because of what I call it now, expected torrential rains. You know, we are in the hurricane season and you have several spaces being cleaned because they don't want the place to actually start to flood. So in actually cleaning the spaces, there's a lot of things that are being unearthed, one of which is baby crocodiles, right? Coming from beneath the bushes, within the swampy areas. As I said before, this looks like a nest, and it's a water space that is not really traversed by individuals. Them totally, them gone now. Them gone now. Yeah man, them gone. One day they shall see me. But I am not going to stand around to see what's happening next, as I don't want nothing to bite me. Peace out guys, catch you next time. Yo, I'm afraid of them places. If you baby crocodiles, that means they have adult crocodiles somewhere in the water. Yeah. And that's the reason why you don't see nobody else swim right here, so. Because this is a nesting space for adult crocodile. Peace out guys. Be careful when you hold a swim arbitrarily.